Hello guys, this is the fourth video of our NLP project, email spam detection. In this video we will see how can we create a corpus of our data. Okay, so how can we create a corpus? So first I have defined a variable corpus which is nothing but an empty list. Okay, so this is nothing but what? Our empty list. Okay, now I have created a function make corpus in which I am passing a variable x. So in the previous video I have already told you that what should I do on a particular review or example. Okay, so in this in the previous video we have seen all these things. Okay, right, we have seen all these things. So what I will do first, we know we have to split. We have to split our word. You can see here. So first we have to split. So I have written x equals to x dot split. Then we know we have to remove the stop words and we should consider the base root word of the word. Okay, so I have written the same line. Okay, we have already talked about this in the previous video. Now what will I do? Actually it will give return me the list of words, right? So from the list of words, now I actually want back my sentence. So what I will do, I will join the list using space for each word. Like you can see here, suppose I will show you example. If I have a list of example, in this list we have words, this is me. Okay, this list contains 3 words, this is me. Suppose now I have to change this list into sentence. What I will do, I will join it with space. So if I execute this, you can see this is returned in the sentence form. So same thing I performed here. Okay, now I will append the sentence in our corpus. So we actually performed all the necessary things which we should do in our sentence. We have converted the words into the root form. We have removed the stop words. Then I will append the sentence in our new list. Okay, so this is our function. Now what I will do, I will perform this function on each message. So for I in the range of 0th to length of the data frame. So first I will store the message of every location. So df.log I means first it will give me the message for 0th position, then for 1 position, then 2 position. Okay, so I am iterating. Then I will pass the message on this function make corpus. So it will append the sentence in the list after performing all necessary things. So I will show you after executing this. So this is executing. Now if I see my corpus, so you can see we have a huge collection of data in the necessary form in which we want. Okay, all the words are in the root form and all the stop words are removed. Okay, so now we should actually decorate our project. So remove all these things which I have written here just to explain you. So this is actually important. So paste it here. Okay, and remove the cell and remove this example, remove this example, remove this example, and cut it to the library portion. Okay, so now we should remove this cell also, where okay, remove this cell also, and this is also example, just so delete this cell. Okay, and this should be here. Just we are executing the function. I am just making this should look good to you. Okay, and remove this cell, and now I think it is okay. Our project is looking good now, I think. And also move Okay, so now see, we have the libraries. I am actually revising what we have done till now, importing all the necessary libraries, reading the database. Okay, after reading our database, removing the unnecessary columns. Okay, then changing the class labels of the columns. Then what we have done, check for the non-null object. Then we have converted the class label into the numeric one and 0. Then we have removed the actual column. Then we have the data frame in the correct format. Okay, then what we have done, we have pre-processed our data, certain things using the regular expression we have converted into the lower form. And also what we have done, we have created a corpus till now. Okay, so this is how our project is going on, and we have completed 4 videos on this project, and this project is going on so good, and you are understanding of the